Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete expenses in Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can clean up any expenses you no longer need. First, open your browser and go to New Expensify. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you're working with the right workspace and data. From the home screen, look over to the left-hand navigation. You'll see a list of sections there. What you want is Reports. This area gives you access to your reports and, importantly for us today, to your individual expenses. Click Reports. Once that page loads, switch to the Expenses view. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a tab or a filter in the header. If you already see a list of individual expenses with dates, merchants, and amounts, you're in the right place. If your list is long, you can use the built-in search or filters by date, merchant, or category to quickly find what you plan to delete. Next, click the expense you want to remove to open its details. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct item, check the amount, the merchant, the date, and any notes or tags. Deleting is permanent, so a quick double check now can save you from recreating something later. With the expense open, look to the top right corner for the More menu. This is usually represented by a button labeled More or by an icon with additional actions. Click it to reveal the available options. Choose Delete from that menu. Expensify will ask you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental removals. In the confirmation dialog, click Delete again to finalize. Once you confirm, the expense is removed from your account and won't appear in your lists or reports. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the delete option or it's grayed out, that typically means the expense is part of a submitted or approved report, or it has already been reimbursed. In those cases, the expense isn't editable from this view. Also, if you change your mind after deleting, there's no undo, but you can always re-add the expense by creating a new one manually or scanning the original receipt again. That's all there is to it. Go to New Expensify, open Reports, switch to Expenses, select the expense, open the More menu, and confirm Delete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your expense list with confidence.